guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video ay magkakaroon po tayo ng PEMDAS example. This is very basic pero sobrang dami pong nagkakamali. So nami-misinterpret po kasi natin yung PEMDAS. So we have here an example. 7 times 7 divided by 7 times 7 equals. So try nyo pong sagutin. Tapos comment down kung ano yung first ninyo na naging answer. So 14, is it 49 or is it 1? So sa mga sumagot ng 49, yes, that is correct. So 49 po yung tamang sagot. So doon naman po sa mga sumagot ng 1, so let's discuss bakit 49 yung tamang sagot. So, PEMDAS. So, in this example, meron lamang po tayong times at divide. So, that is multiplication and division. So, if you can see dito sa PEMDAS, magkakasunod yung M and D. Pero, hindi po ibig sabihin yan na kailangan unahin mo palagi si M at isunod si D. So, in PEMDAS, M and D, as well as A and S, which is addition and subtraction, has the same precedence or same lang po sila ng rank sa pagkakasunod. So, 1, 2. So, tulad nito example natin, merong times at divide. So, unahin natin 7 times 7, 49. Divided by 7 times 7. So, ngayon, divided by 7 times 7. So, huwag mong unahin si 49 huwag mong unahin si 7 times 7 dahil just because nauna yung M dito sa PEMDAS. Yan karamihan yung nalilito dahil yung PEMDAS akala nila dapat laging una si multiplication. So si multiplication at si division pwedeng magka-interchange. Multiplication and division meaning po niyan ay from left to right. So kung sino yung nauna, yun ang unahin mo. As long as hindi mo unahin si MD kay AS. So, 49 divided by 7 is 7 times 7, so equals 49. So, ang mangyayari kasi kapag inuna mo si 49 divided by 7, tapos 49 divided by, kung unahin mo 7 times 7, 49 divided by 49. So, yung magiging sagot mo is 1, which is wrong. So, again, MD, same lang po sila ng rank. Same lang po sila na pwede mong unahin kung sino yung nauna. Kung nauna si division, unahin mo. Kung nauna si multiplication, unahin mo. As long as hindi mo unahin yung addition and subtraction sa multiplication and division. So, I hope na nagkaliwanagan po tayo sa PEMDAS. So, thank you for watching. This is just a very short video, but this is very important.